test driving the Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron.
Hey guys, I'm super excited for today's test drive because I've been driving EVs from China and they are very impressive in terms of technology. So I'm eager to find out how does a familiar, trusted European brand compare. I got the Sportback version and it's all about the design. Check out that sleek coupe style roofline, sportier, more dynamic, and seriously, I just look stylish even standing right next to the car. Okay, let's go check out the inside of the car. It's modern, minimal, and driver focused. Honestly, it's just very Audi. There's a large infotainment display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, it's all seamlessly integrated. And the system is just super responsive.
The front cabin feels really airy thanks to the ample headspace and of course the wide dashboard and the power on this car. Woof! The Audi Q4 e-tron may be a compact SUV, but there's nothing compact about its performance. The peak electrical output in kilowatts is 210, which is equivalent to 280 horsepower. In terms of torque, it gives you 545 Nm, so go forth and overtake that car.
Officially, one single charge gives you up to 520 kilometers. So in real life, I would say that's about 490, maybe even 500 clicks. And that's more than enough for city driving in Singapore. While driving, I realized the acceleration is smooth, instant torque, and with Audi's drive modes, you can go from eco-friendly cruising to sporty driving at just a push of a button.
Another observation, the regenerative braking, it's not very obvious. So, you're not used to the jerkiness. It's perfect. Passengers in the back, they are going to thank you. With over 950 mm of legroom and a full flat floor, even your tallest friends can stretch out in comfort. No one knees pressed against the front seat. Oh, it's hard to reach.
Not forgetting boot space, a very generous 535 liters. Enough for groceries, golf bags, or, in my case, dive bag. Or bags, actually. Okay, now the big question. Just how sustainable are Audi cars?
Well, first of all, sustainability is a core value of our brand, and it's no longer nice to have. Like, the customer expectations are growing in Europe, in Asia, but especially also in Singapore. And what is very important for us is the whole recycling chain. We call it circular economy. And with our latest products like the Q4 e-tron, the Q6 e-tron, we use, for example, for our cloth, for our seats, recycled PET bottles. And the windshields, they're made of recycled glass. And the inner parts of the doors are made of recycled steel. And Audi AG, already in the year 2017, founded the aluminium cycle together with our suppliers. So since years, we are recycling our aluminium scraps and try to recycle whatever we can, whether it's plastic, steel, glass, whatever.
To summarize, the Audi Q4 e-tron is a solid car, strong performance, very sustainable, and a good showcase of Audi's EV technology. You can also opt for the Edition 1, which comes with premium trimmings like K-up display and upgraded speakers. But as always, a premium product does come with a premium price. It's about $280,000 for the base model and an additional $20,000 for the Edition 1. So yes, it's super impressive, it's fun to drive, but the affordability, that's probably going to be the biggest challenge. If you're an Audi fan, I'm sure you've heard about the Q6 e-tron dual motor. If you're as excited as I am, I will be test driving that soon too, so do stay tuned for that.
This is Evie with Ivy.